breaking the boundaries of performance with the Intel Core i3-1115 G4 processor, up to 4.20 GHz, 4 cores, 8 threads, 8 MB Intel Smart Cache IntelliD graphics 23.8 inches Full HD widescreen IPS LED backlit screen 8 GB 2666 MHz DDR4 memory 512 GB NVMe M2 SSD Intel Wireless Wi-Fi 6AX201 802.11ax Dual Band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz featuring 2x2 MU-MIMO technology Bluetooth 5.110/100/1000 Gigabit Ethernet LAN. 1. Fully functional Thunderbolt 4 port, rear, 1. USB 3.2, Type A, Gen 1 port, rear, 2. USB 3.2, Type A, Gen 2 ports, rear, 1. USB 2.0, Type A, port, bottom, saved for RF dongle, 1. HDMI in port, rear, 1. HDMI out port, rear, integrated 1.0 MP HD webcam with 2 stereo microphones wireless keyboard and mouse included Windows 10 Home. Standing screen display size Y 23.8 inches. Screen resolution Y 1920 x 1080. Max screen resolution Y 1920 x 1080. Processor Y 4.1 GHz Core i3. RAM Y 8 GB DDR4. Hard drive Y 512 GB SSD. Chipset brand Y Intel. Card description Y integrated. Graphics card RAM size Y 0.1. Wireless type Y Bluetooth 802.11ax. Number of USB 2.0 ports Y1. Number of USB 3.0 ports Y4. Other technical details. Brand Acer. Series Y C24-1651-UR15. Item model number Y C24-1651-UR15. Hardware platform Y PC. Operating system Y Windows 10 Home. Item weight Y 22.2 pounds. Product dimensions Y 21.28 x 1.47 x 15.76 inches. Item dimensions LXWXH Y 21.28 x 1.47 x 15.76 inches. Color Y silver. Processor brand Y Intel. Processor count Y4. Computer memory type Y DDR4 SD RAM flash memory size Y 512. Hard drive interface Y solid state. Hard drive rotational speed Y 0.1.